Right now, you're probably still copy-pasting between browser tabs and Claude. That's about to stop. You can do that by using connectors. It's not as hard as it sounds. And by the end of this video, you'll have built your own connection. This is lesson 6 of the Claude Masterclass. Let's see what connectors and MCP are. A connector plugs Claude into an app you already use, like Notion, Slack, Zapier, and hundreds of others. One important rule: Claude inherits your permissions in that app. Once something is connected, you don't have to keep naming it. Ask a question that needs it, and Claude brings the information in on its own. Under the hood, connectors run on something called MCP, or Model Context Protocol. It's the open standard that lets Claude talk to outside tools. Let's see how connectors and MCP work. Go to Settings, then Connectors. Open the Add drop-down in the upper right here. You can use pre-built connectors or create your own custom connector. But for a custom connector, you need a remote MCP server URL and might also need an authentication ID. So let's go with the easy path for now. Click Browse Connectors. You'll see a full directory here: Notion, Slack, Asana, and dozens more. Let's search for Notion. Click Connect and sign in to approve access. Once that's done, you're back in Claude and Notion is live. Now let's put it to work. In my Notion, Nova Digital keeps client notes including our Q3 numbers and some open items we haven't closed out. I'll type search my Notion for the Q3 client notes and tell me what's still outstanding. Watch. Claude searches the workspace on its own, finds the right page, and pulls in the actual content. I didn't have to explain anything first. Let's push it further. Update the status on the Riverside Dental website project to complete. It might ask for permission to update it. Claude makes the change directly in Notion. Let's go check. Refresh to update. There it is, updated. Here's the word of caution. Custom connectors in general can reach servers built by anyone. Only connect to ones from sources you actually trust and review what a connector can do before you approve it. That's how you use connectors and MCP in Claude. In the next lesson, we're covering how to use Claude in Chrome so Claude can go anywhere you go, including live inside a web page. If this helped you build your first real connection, hit like and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.